Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys this click and play Coast Guard helicopter. Okay, let's get into the video. And look, back rotor spin. Okay, that is the helicopter. It is super cool. We got it from Click and Play, and you can get it on Amazon. You really can. I haven't taken these off yet because we just got it the other day. Yeah, and the doors do open, but I just can't open them because they're too hard to open. Oh, and can I show you the other one that I have? It's broken, and then when I show you it, you will be like, oh, it's really broken. This is the broken one. Doesn't even have propellers. And look, once I move it, it makes this sound. There was back rotors, but the other rotors, like that one, don't have. Okay, I'm gonna let you go now because it's getting close to the end of the video, and I hope I see you guys again in my next video. Okay, bye guys.